Have you ever wondered how ordinary people become millionaires? It might surprise you to learn that the majority of millionaires built their wealth through strategic planning and disciplined saving, not by hitting the jackpot. Today, we're sharing some of the most effective strategies that can help you achieve financial success regardless of where you're starting from. You'll learn how to set financial goals, create a budget, save and invest wisely, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start building your wealth. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards financial freedom, keep watching. First, let's talk about the importance of having a clear financial plan. It's not just about making money, but knowing how to manage and grow it effectively. Start by setting specific financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the next year, 5 years, and 10 years. Write these goals down and break them into smaller, manageable steps. This helps you stay focused and motivated. Also, let's not forget the power of budgeting. Creating and sticking to a budget is one of the most effective ways to control your spending and save more money. Track your income and expenses meticulously. This might seem tedious at first, but it's essential. You'll be surprised how much you can save by cutting out unnecessary expenses and making smarter spending choices. Now, speaking of saving, let's talk about the concept of paying yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you spend on anything else. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. If that seems too high, start with 10% and gradually increase it. The key is consistency. Automate your savings if you can. This way, you won't even miss the money. Another crucial aspect is investing. Saving money is important, but to really grow your wealth, you need to invest. The stock market has historically provided high returns over the long term. Start by educating yourself about different investment options. Consider low-cost index funds, or ETFs, which are great for beginners due to their diversification and low fees. And remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Start investing as early as possible and let compound interest work its magic. Also, don't overlook the value of continuous learning. The financial world is always evolving, and staying informed can help you make better investment decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial news. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to handle your finances. Another thing to consider is diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Look for ways to create multiple streams of income. This could be through side hustles, freelance work, or even passive income sources like rental properties or dividend stocks. The more income streams you have, the faster you can build your wealth. What's more, surround yourself with like-minded people. Networking with individuals who share your financial goals can be incredibly motivating. Join groups or online communities where you can share ideas, learn from others, and stay accountable. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone on this journey can make a big difference. And let's talk about debt. While some debt can be useful, like a mortgage, it's crucial to avoid high-interest debt such as credit cards. If you have existing debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Use the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to tackle your debt strategically. Paying off debt frees up more money that you can invest and save. Now, speaking of which, let's address lifestyle inflation. It's easy to start spending more as you earn more, but this can hinder your progress. Try to maintain a modest lifestyle even as your income grows. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy your money, but be mindful of your spending and prioritize your financial goals. Well, let's not forget the importance of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can prevent you from falling into debt during tough times. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This gives you peace of mind and financial security. After that, always remember to review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your plan. Periodically assess your progress and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. This ensures that you remain aligned with your goals and can adapt to any changes in your financial situation. Hey, I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, becoming a millionaire is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and patience. But with the right strategies and mindset, it's entirely possible. So, take control of your financial future and start making these changes today. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, Leave them in the comments below. See you next time.